Anyone who is either from or who's ever lived in the coastal bend knows that coastal flooding is something that we expect, but that doesn't mean it's not without its problems.
Today, our Faith Culver is bringing you an update on how the state and the city are coming together to help out residents on North Beach. Faith?
Yes, good evening, Leslie and Mike. While the tropics have been fairly quiet for South Texas as of lately, weather plays one of the biggest factors in the continuous pattern of coastal flooding in our area. Now, I spoke with various community residents and leaders about what recent change has been made to temporarily reduce coastal flooding in the North Beach area.
Just the problem of getting home, especially in the evening, and it's all flooded and there is no other way to get to our homes here on these first couple of streets and Lighthouse Point.
And not just residents, but business owners as well are becoming more and more restless of the continuous flooding in the North Beach area. Lisa Carmichael, owner of the Blue Marlin Saloon, as well as George Gonzalez, owner of the Electric Cobra, are just two of many individuals well aware that the issue is not from heavy rain events.
The reason the flooding has been so bad lately is just because, what is this, October and November, we've had a lot of high tides. There's storms in the Gulf that didn't even come here that pushed the water towards our beaches and raised it up, the salt water. So that then, when you get a higher tide, it moves the water through the system and it backflows into the streets.
While there's only so much one can do to fight against Mother Nature, TxDOT has assisted as much as the water will allow them to.
TxDOT is coming in and pumping that area out, but the water level has to be low enough in the bay so that when we pump the water, it just doesn't come right back in.
As the state does their part, the city continues to do so as well.
If a low-lying area has water in it and your drainage solution is up here, it's not going to drain into this. So you have to bring things up a little just to get enough slope to drain into the drainage system. That's what the grading plan is about, that the engineer already did for North Beach, and the city will be implementing piece by piece, starting with Beach Avenue, elevating Beach Avenue, and elevating Gulf Spray.
Residents in the area are also asking the city to consider new safety measures as it pertains to the pending new flow of traffic once both the drainage canal and the new harbor bridge are complete. Leslie, Mike.